The need to enact legislation to ensure minimal standards for the establishment of clinical laboratories have been emphasized by stakeholders in the health sector. Speaking at the 8th Biennial Scientific Conference organized by the Association of Clinical Chemists of Nigeria in Abuja, former Chief Medical Director of the University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital, Professor Ojule, advocated for establishment of a regulatory body for registration, licensing, and oversight of clinical laboratories. Other speakers, including the former Deputy Governor of Kano State, Professor Hafiz Abubakar, on their part explained the place of collaboration in regulation of clinical practice in Nigeria.
What we are doing currently in Nigeria, we are not sure of the accuracy of our results. And we have done a study to prove this. Different laboratories saying different things on the same clinical specimen. So we need to work on this, and that is why we need these regulatory bodies to make sure that our labs are of good quality, good standards, internationally established.
Stricter and best practice globally standards can be set for you to meet that criteria before you set up a laboratory. Unlike what is happening now, every low-level professional or even unprofessional will just acquire a house, a canteen, a shop, and set up a laboratory and be dispensing clinical tests and diagnoses and releasing results that are not professionally checked.
This conference gives us the opportunity to re-examine our roles, as was being shown by the last lecture, the challenges or hurdles, how we can scale them and adapt to the ever-changing healthcare ecosystem of climate.
For the president of the Association of Clinical Chemists of Nigeria, Professor Joseph Ahaneku, the relevance of synergy among the professionals and certification of practitioners are key to changing the narrative, as well as closing the existing gaps for better health performance.
There should be a new dynamics that will separate very high-level manpower in healthcare system, especially in laboratory medicine practice, because diagnosis is very, very, very important. It could lead to success, it could lead to death. You could be given a result that will end the patient's life, and you could also be given the result that can save the person's life within the shortest possible time.
The theme of the conference is Challenges of Contemporary Clinical Chemistry and Laboratory Medicine Practice in Nigeria. CNN News.